Hi, welcome to our math. Today I'm doing a series of videos on higher order polynomials. In this video it says find a function with the following given zeros. You'll notice these zeros are a little bit more complicated. So to do this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to say x minus parentheses 1 plus root 11, x minus parentheses 1 minus root 11, x minus 8, and this n equaling 5 means I'm going to have an extra x squared because I need to bring in 2 more x's. But that will be like the last step. I'm not going to worry about that until the very, very, very end, because right now I only have 1, 2, 3, and that will be 4 and 5. That's what that n equals 5 means. It means order 5, not order 3. So I'm going to look at these first two because these first two are kind of ugly and I need to deal with those first. I'm going to distribute the minuses. So I'm going to have x minus 1 minus root 11, x minus 1 plus root 11. Okay, to clean this up, I am going to use the distributive property with stacking. I'm going to start with this x, and I'm going to distribute it into the next set of parentheses. So I'm going to get x squared minus x plus x root 11. Now I'm going to move over to the negative 1. Negative 1x, so that's negative x. Negative 1 times negative 1 is plus 1. There's no like term, so I'm going to put the plus 1 over here. And then negative 1 times root 11 is negative root 11. There's no like term here, so I'm going to say minus root 11. Now I'm going to move to the root 11. Negative root 11 times x has a like term right here, so I can say minus x root 11. Negative root 11 times negative 1 is plus root 11, which I can put right here. And then minus root 11 times root 11 becomes minus 11 times 11. I get x squared minus 2x. These cancel. Plus 1 minus the square root of 11 times 11. The square root of 11 times 11, or 121, becomes 11. So I can say minus 11 and cross that out to simplify it. And I end up with x squared minus 2x minus 10. So that's what these first two simplify out to become. All right, so then I'm going to take that x squared minus 2x minus 10 and multiply it to x minus 8. That is my next challenge. So I'm going to do the same thing. X squared times 8 is x cubed. X squared minus 8 is minus 8x squared. Negative 2 times x is negative 2x squared. Negative 2 times 8 is a positive 16x. Negative 10 times x is a negative 10x. And negative 10 times negative 8 is a plus 80. So I end up with x cubed minus 10x squared plus 6x plus 80. But now I have that last x squared. So I'm going to say h of x is x squared times x cubed minus 10x squared plus 6x plus 80, or h of x equals x to the 5th minus 10x to the 4th plus 6x cubed plus 80x squared. And now we have the 5th order polynomial that was requested with the 3 given zeros. All right, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks.